Every year, thousands of Americans unknowingly lose out on Social Security benefits they've earned, simply because of filing mistakes, missed deadlines, or a lack of information. It happens far more often than people realize, and in many cases, the money is gone for good. For retirees, spouses, divorced spouses, or even those filing for Medicare, one small misstep can result in losing benefits that could have made a meaningful difference in their monthly budget. The good news is that most of these mistakes are preventable if you know what to watch for. When you apply for Social Security, whether it's retirement, spousal, or divorced spousal benefits, there are rules that must be followed closely. Social Security employees do their best to help, but here's the catch. They won't always know about your specific situation unless you bring it up. In fact, many benefits are only paid if you specifically request them. If you don't mention it, they may not tell you. That means the responsibility falls on you to understand your rights and to ask the right questions when filing. For example, divorced spouses may qualify for benefits based on an ex-spouse's work record if the marriage lasted at least 10 years. But here's the trap. If you don't specifically request those benefits when applying, you might miss out. Similarly, people filing for retirement may not realize that delaying even 1 month or choosing the wrong filing date can affect how much they get every single month for the rest of their life. Filing late in the year, especially around the holiday season, is one of the biggest times when errors happen. Applications get rushed, questions don't get asked, and important details are overlooked. Let's take a real scenario. Someone who just turned 66 files for retirement benefits in December. They may not realize that starting benefits in January instead could slightly increase their monthly check, because Social Security calculates benefits based on full retirement age and exact filing dates. On top of that, if they were eligible for spousal or ex-spousal benefits, but didn't mention it, those benefits may never be added. That's money left on the table, sometimes hundreds of dollars a month. Another key issue is retroactive benefits. In some cases, if you are eligible but didn't file on time, Social Security can go back and pay you for up to 6 months of missed benefits. But again, this only happens if you ask about it. If you don't know that retroactive benefits exist, you won't request them, and the money will never be paid out. Social Security employees are not required to automatically apply every possible rule to your case. They often rely on you to point it out. Medicare also adds another layer of complexity. Missing your enrollment window can lead to higher premiums that last for life. Many people think they can delay Medicare because they are still working, but the rules vary depending on whether you have employer coverage or not. Filing at the wrong time, or failing to file when you should, can cost thousands of dollars over your lifetime. The bottom line is this: knowledge is power when it comes to Social Security. You need to be proactive. Don't assume the Social Security office will catch every detail for you. They handle millions of claims every year, and while they do try to help, they can't always spot what you don't tell them. Write down your questions before filing. Double-check your eligibility for spousal or divorced spousal benefits, and always ask about retroactive payments if you filed late. For many people, these benefits are their lifeline. Losing even a small amount can make it harder to keep up with bills, groceries, or healthcare costs. The system can be complicated, but you don't have to go through it blindly. Talk to a Social Security representative, read up on the rules, and when in doubt, ask. Don't be afraid to push for clarity, because once money is lost, it's often gone forever. If you or someone you know is planning to file soon, take extra care, especially toward the end of the year when mistakes are common. By preparing in advance and knowing the rules, you can make sure you get every dollar you deserve and avoid the heartbreaking mistake of losing Social Security benefits that you worked your whole life to earn.